Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Destined to be yours. Exploring is essential to experience freedom and growth. Foolishness is forgetting actions have consequences and misfortunes. Don't be confined to your cage. Roam with peace and love in your heart. But always remember, with wisdom comes joy and an everlasting peace destined to be yours. Thank you so much, Danny G. Another amazing poem. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. But this time, let's think of 3 things from yesterday that you were grateful for. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for a beautiful morning. And I'm grateful for a piece of equipment that came in for me. And I'm grateful for another piece of equipment that will be coming. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.